Oh, hello everybody. Fancy seeing you under here. How's things? We all okay? Thought I'd just do the fuel filter on the Land Rover, on the Discovery. Yeah, things are okay. Not nearly finished the painting. Still a bit to do yet. 1 or 2 repairs. It's amazing how one thing leads to another. Right. Yeah, so I'm just going to pop this off. That was quite cruddy. I don't think. Yeah. Nope. Have to get a thingy on it. Well, that was pleasantly messy. Right, so if you've got one of those on, that's the sedimenter. That's the bit with that you plug into. That's how they come new. So that should come off there. Oh, yes it did. That should come off there. Ew. Well, that seems to be working well, doesn't it? Sedimenter by name, sedimenter by job. Oh. Need that washer. on there. Right. You don't have to prime it when you've done it. So, we'll put a little bit of oil around there, around there. There we go, all done. Wire back on, sedimenter on, tightened by hand. Right, I'll just put my mud flaps back, and that's it really. It's a simple job, but it's very messy. Expensive as well. I use the expensive fuel, and to see it running away, it's quite traumatic. Anyway, I'll put that on there. I'll find screws. Yeah, so fleet news. Cheap Heaps had his MOT. I think I've got a confession to make here. I did it the old man's way. You know what it's like when MOT comes round, you have a look at the calendar and think, oh my god, it's blooming MOT time, I'm going to have to get something arranged. So you ring them up and you book a day off and you arrange something, then you take it down and you leave it and you go for a walk for an hour and you're pacing up and down eating ginger biscuits and cream cakes. It's frightening. Then you go back and you're filled with dread, and then what's the news, what's it like? And it goes, whoa, right, okay. It's like a Roman scroll. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your wallets. Anyway, so you take it home and you go get the bits, and then you come home and you do the stuff if you can, and you bring them up. Can you do me a retest? Yeah, pop it in next week, whenever. And off you go, and then woohoo, you get a whole new brand spanking MOT. Didn't do that this time. The chap that we go to, who did Frida's car, i.e. Old Stinky, I took Cheap Heap to him and I let him do it, and it's the most trauma-free MOT I think I've ever had. It was simply because of, can I need an MOT for Cheap Heap, can I come round so and so? Yeah, you'll do it. Took it round, 1.5 hours later, gave me a ring, it's all done, come and get it. That was it. I got some fence painted, and it was just no fuss, no hassle at all. All he needed was a ball joint, and this is embarrassing, but the front tyres with the snow tyres on, front wheels with the snow tyres on, I got them on the wrong way around. Yeah, the rotation marks were the wrong way. So I'd be good job I didn't use it much in snow. My tyres were on the wrong way around. Flipping it. Anyway, so watch out for that if you've got to have your tyres on the right way. It helps anyway, probably with grip and snow moving, all the usual stuff. Because you can't drive everywhere, can you? Flipping it. Anyway, no, you can't reverse everywhere, can you? I mean, good grief. Anyway, so that's Cheap Heap done. Ball joint, tyres on the wrong way around, that's it. It was completely stress free, it was great. We didn't do anything, it's the old man's way. Okay, anyway, got me some tyres back on the Discovery. I'm intending to do the driver's door lock today. The weather is just showery, it keeps raining. It started raining when I did this. So it took a while last time, I didn't want to get caught out with the camera in the rain again. so we'll come back to that later. Yeah, so old GP passed his test fine. Tyres on the wrong way around and blooming ball tracker end. The smoke test, I think we're allowed 3 and it was 1.78, so I don't think that's too bad. I mean, there's oil in the turbo, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, we'll just MOT, we'll just go with it. Yeah, completely stress free. It was great. It really was. Right then. So we've caught up with that. Cheap Heap's fine. Old Stinky's fine. Discovery's fine. I've been using it quite a lot, and it's okay. You know, it must be what it's like to have a completely reliable vehicle. I'm not used to that. Yeah, no. Might be just me. Yeah, right, so it's all good. I hope you're all keeping well, I hope you're all keeping safe. I've had one jab, maybe poorly. Second one's in a period of time from now which it completely escapes me. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I've just normal aches and pains and stuff. Just need to get out for a run, perhaps. If I'd have been, we're not quite locked down now. I've not been locked down at all. I've been going to work as normal, but still you can't go out, can you? Quite like going to pictures. You haven't been able to go to pictures. Anyway, never mind that. That's just me. So I hope you're all staying well. Thanks for watching. So stay safe, don't get lost or squashed, and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, hang on a minute, before you go, listen to this. No fuel pump noise. Win-win. Right, there we go then. Yeah, now I'm happy. 2 birds, 1 stone. And a partridge in a pear tree. And all that stuff. Anyway, okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, crack on. Just carry on with what you're doing. Don't take no notice of me. I'm just tickle pink with that. So, new fuel filter. Fuel pump noise. Normal. Yeah. Oh, anyway, so there we go, look. Perhaps it might go a little bit better as well. It did seem to be warming up quite quickly in sub-zero temperatures on the morning. Bit of leaning out perhaps. Ooh, who knows? Anyway, we'll find out next week when we go back to work. Oh yeah, we've got May Day off. Great, one day. Marvellous, thanks. Yeah, long live the revolution and stuff. Long live everybody. Anyway, never mind that. Crack on, get a kettle on, job's a good one. We'll see you in a bit again.